beautiful viewers and subscribers near and far. Welcome back to my kitchen. From my kitchen to your kitchen, I just want to wish you all a happy new year. And I hope 2021 is a better year for us all. And today I'm back with a recipe what I'd like to share with you guys. It's simple and it's easy and it is delicious. And it is hot and spicy chicken wings. Let's get started. Here's my chicken wings. They are washed, seasoned, and marinate. Just get ready for frying. Oh. And this is my flour. It's all-purpose flour what I'm using, and I'm going to season my flour. I'm using the same season what I use to season my chicken wing to season my flour. Using 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, garlic granules, jerk seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, I'm also using some hot and spicy original and still the best fried chicken coating. So I'm going to add some of this to my ingredients. You can get this in supermarket from your local shops. I'm just gonna wash my hands and then mix all my ingredients. I'm just gonna mix all my ingredients, combine it all together for my coating. It's all blending nicely. As you can see, look at it. It's all blending nicely. And this is my coating, what I'm going to use to coat my chicken wings. And then I am going to fry it. And I'll show you exactly what to do. Over here, I've got some oil, some vegetable oil, what I'm using in my pan. And I'm going to turn my heat on and leave it to hot. Once my oil is ready, I am going to coat my chicken, put it in, and I'm going to show you exactly how to fry your hot and spicy chicken wings. Guys, I'm now coating my chicken. So once you coat your chicken, you just shake off a bit of the coating. And then you just put it in to fry. You also reduce the heat so that the chicken don't get burned. Guys, look at my hot and spicy chicken wings. They are all looking good. Wow, look at that. They're looking really, really good. Guys, the chickens are near ready and they're looking really, really good. Guys, these chicken are ready now, so I'm taking them out and they're looking really, really good. Guys, look at my chicken wings, my hot and spicy chicken wings. Wow, looking really, really good. Really, really good. Guys, you can have this with chips. You can have it with salad. You can have it on its own. It's entirely up to you how you want to have it. But it's looking really, really delicious. Guys, my chicken wing is all fried and it's looking really, really delicious and it's smelling fantastic. So guys, if you like my video, give my hot and spicy chicken wings couple thumbs up, like and share, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video. See you soon in another video. Love you guys. Enjoy your new year. Bye.